All right, for problem 54 here, the first step is to get rid of your grouping symbol. So we're going to distribute this 2 through. We have 3 different logs. So when we distribute that through, there are still going to be 3 logs. Okay, and then we're going to apply the properties of power. So we're going to move the 2's, each of these powers up to, or each of these multipliers out front up to the powers. And now what we can do is look to condense this all into one log. And again, you use the common, or whatever the log that they all share, which is a natural base here. And then some fraction inside. And again, it may be that you don't use the numerator or the denominator, but you can write it anyway. When you take your factors, any factor that comes from a positive log goes into the numerator. So x squared comes from a positive log. X plus 1 squares comes from a negative log, so that's in the denominator. And then finally, the x minus 1 squared comes from the denominator, or comes from a negative log, so it moves to the denominator as well. So this would be your solution. If you were to write this, again, enter it online, you're looking at ln of x squared divided by, and then in our denominator, we need to put this all within grouping symbols because there's multiple factors. So x plus 1 squared, x minus 1 squared. So we close off the denominator here, and then we close off the log itself. And so this should be an acceptable form.